In this video, you will learn how to fill out the hard money application. So once you are in the dashboard, you're going to click in here where it says hard money, and it's going to bring to a form where you're going to fill out if it's what kind of deal it is, if it's a flip or rehab, or if it's a rental property. You're going to put your name, your entity name, how many flips you have completed in the past 2 years, the address of the property that you would like to purchase, the property information type. It's going to be a drop down. You can just select one, how much your credit is on average, and then you just fill out the purchase price, the rehab costs, if you need the rehab funds or not, what's the ARV, and then you're going to click in here to send to analysis. So once you send it in, you're going to get feedback with all the terms of how much this deal would cost, all the interest rate, what the monthly payment would be, what the down payment would be. So that's basically all you have to do, and just wait to hear back from us if we can assist you with your hard money needs.